Patterns in our surroundings.
Mummy, Diwali is approaching, so I have to decorate diyas and take them to school.
Yes, I will teach you. Can you come with me to the market?
Yes, let's go.
Brother, show me a good border or lace which can be stitched to the sari. These are the options available. You can pick any pattern that you like from these options.
Mummy, what is a pattern?
When any object or shapes are placed in a particular order and repeated again and again, it is called a pattern. Look, this lace has pattern made of peacocks.
Oh, yes, here the peacock motif has been repeated again and again.
Rightly said, Winnie.
Mummy, I want to know more about patterns.
Okay, Winnie. So today, let's observe the patterns we see in our surroundings. Look, Winnie, all the clothes here have some pattern on them.
Oh, yes. In all these clothes, some shapes or designs have been repeated again and again.
Rightly said, Winnie. Brother, we like this patterned lace. Please use this one on my sari. Okay, you can collect your sari tomorrow. Thank you, brother. Winnie, let us go.
Yes, let's go.
Winnie, look at this wall. This wall has a pattern made of bricks.
Oh, yes.
Now look, this zebra crossing has a pattern of black and white stripes.
Yes, this pattern has black, white lines. Both black and white color lines have been used repeatedly.
Now look at the roof of this ice cream shop. Does it have a pattern?
Yes, here two different color stripes have been used to make a pattern. And the ice cream cone also has a pattern.
Yes, Winnie, we talked all the way and reached home so soon.
Hey, the door of a house also has a pattern.
Rightly said, Winnie. The strips here have a pattern of big to small, small to big. Initially big to small and then small to big strips have been used.
Mummy, our tablecloth also has a pattern. Did you notice?
Winnie, what is the pattern of this cloth?
It has 3 flowers, then 2 flowers, then again 3 flowers, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 2 flowers. It gets repeated and that's how this pattern is created.
Well done, Winnie. Very good. Now, can you tell which of the fruits on the table have a pattern?
There is a pattern in custard apple and pineapple.
Winnie, please turn on the TV.
Hey, Mummy, is there a pattern on this building as well?
Yes, this building is the Hawa Mahal at Jaipur in Rajasthan.
And this?
This is the Taj Hotel in Mumbai.
Mummy, these patterns on these buildings make them look so beautiful, isn't it? Hey, beautiful reminds me of decorating the diyas beautifully. I have to take them to school tomorrow.
Let me help you. Look, there are some similar patterns on this diya as well.
Yes, but how we will make it look beautiful?
By placing these big and small stones on the diyas.
How?
We will use different colored, small and big stones alternately on the diya to make a pattern. Doing so, now we have a beautiful pattern on the diya.
Yes, Mummy. Now this diya is looking very beautiful.
Winnie, now do your homework. Then we will make patterns using various objects.
Okay, Mummy.
Friends, today we understood patterns in our surroundings. In the next video, we will learn to make patterns with various objects in our surroundings.